Check it out, friends. In this video, we're going to be testing out this new Cat Diamond blade right here from Cat Diamond Tools. This is the rescue blade. I'm going to put it on the Echo CSG 7410 right here. So the blade is called the VXX50 Vacuum Braze Segmented Rim Blade. So we have some thick steel pipe right here to cut and some other things to test this out on. So let's get this video started so you can see how this works. So the blade I'm taking off is another Cat Diamond blade made for concrete, and I reviewed this back like last October or November, so I'll put a link down below to that video if you want to see it. One more turn. There we go. So this blade right here that I had on before, this is the 800 series Expert for hard materials. And I thought this did really well on a big section of concrete that I had. Now let's take a look at this one right here. All right, so I believe the arbor on the Echo saw is a 1 inch. So this blade right here has this little adapter ring I'm going to put in here. Insert it right there. And now let's go ahead and install this on the Echo saw. Put that on there. There. See, that's nice and snug. So now that we have the rescue blade installed on the saw, I just want to quickly go to the Cat Diamond Tool website so we can take a close look at this blade right here so you understand the performance of it, and then you'll have an idea how it works as we test it out on the steel right here. Okay, so here we are at the Cat Diamond Tools website. Let's just take a look and scroll down, and you can see down here, let me get to it. These are all the different grades of blades you can get. So we're going to go right to the top one, the 1000 Expert, get more information. So right there, I'll let you read that paragraph on your own. You can pause it, just tells about the high quality that you're going to get. Let's check out now, click on the view 1000 range. So when you look at the different products right here, we're going to go right to the Rescue and Demolition 1000 Expert blade. Now that I've clicked on that, you can just see this demolition blade right here is designed to work on all different types of materials because you don't know what you're going to get. First responders have to be prepared for anything. So we have rebar, reinforced concrete, steel, cast iron, ductile iron pipe, fiber cement board, PVC pipe, and then it shows that you do not use water with it. Multi-application material cutting, 75 times longer life than traditional abrasive blades, constant diameter for maximum cutting capacity, superior quality diamonds for longer blade life. And I'll let you read through the rest of that. And then right here, it's offering all these different sizes for different types of tools. So now let's go and see this blade put to the test. So here's my setup right here. This is what I'm going to be cutting, the steel pipe. This actually used to be a basketball hoop, a really heavy duty one. Kind of like those ones you used to see on the schoolyards years ago. I remember, it makes me think of the movie The Christmas Story when I see that. So this is quite thick. I'll get a measurement for you in a second. So yeah, this was actually something I had to remove from an abandoned lot from somewhere, and I was able to have a friend take the concrete out, and then I have this steel right here that I could use for this video, so it worked out really well. All right, so we'll get a measurement on this right here. So you can see it is 4.5 inches thick, pretty thick sidewall on it. So I have some digital calipers right here. All right, so let's see what the thickness is with the calipers. 0.265. So if it was 0.2500, that would be 1/4 inch. So it's slightly thicker than that. So yeah, the blade is a little bit warm, but after all that cutting and that heavy duty steel, I'm impressed. Yeah, so this is pretty hot right here. I can feel it through my gloves. So you can just see how it cut that. So right here I have this chunk of concrete that was left over. I think it was after the floor of my basement was poured, and they just put the extra around this area right here. So I'm trying to work it loose with this, but I think I want to just cut it in half. Just go down maybe about 3 inches or so. It shouldn't be too deep. And I'm just going to wear a breather mask. I don't have water to control the dust. There it goes. Yeah, that cut helped me out. This is 29 years old right here. So it says that it'll cut PVC. So I have some Schedule 40 3-inch PVC right here. All right, so now I've cut all that stuff. Let's cut through that steel again and see if it cuts the same speed after the concrete a couple times and the PVC. All right, you have just a little more testing to do with the saw. So right here, some 2x2 angled pieces of steel, 1/4 inch thick. So try a couple cuts on that. In just a short time, this thing really cut a lot of things, several different types of material. All these cuts down here. Some pretty thick steel right there. All right, that saw blade definitely did a nice job for me. So now I'd like to know what you guys think about that blade. Please put your comments down below. And now to go on to see that blade take on some other material, we're gonna go to that video clip from January at World of Concrete. Let's take a look. Hey friends, we're here at World of Concrete 2024 and we're checking out Cat Diamond products right here and real excited to see what's new with them. So let's go take a look. Okay, so I want to introduce you to Ian Clark. He is the president of Cat Diamond Tools. So Ian, what are we doing right here? This is our first demonstration.
It is. We're actually demonstrating our range of diamond products. The blade which we're actually going to use first is a rescue demolition blade where the actual diamonds are encrusted onto the actual surface of the actual blank. They're not actually in a matrix, and they're used for cutting ductile iron pipe, rebar, I-beams, and also used for the fire service, for entry into buildings, and also for cutting things such as axles off lorries in accidents very, very quickly. They don't give a lot of sparks off like a bonded abrasive, and they'll actually outlast the resinoid bonded abrasive by about 75 times. So value for money is excellent. And usually a bonded abrasive will take probably 12 minutes to cut through a 6-inch ductile iron pipe. I think you'll see this is probably sub 1 minute. Wow. So let's see. I think, as you'll see, there was hardly any sparks at all there. Right. And if you actually go and feel the blade now, you'll feel it's cool because it's manufactured with self-cooling diamonds. You'll actually feel it's not hot at all. Oh, wow. It's very cool.
Nice.
So, and this particular blade will probably cut over 1,000 pipes. And the other good thing about it is, unlike conventional diamond blades, if it starts to slow and wear, you just flip the blade round the opposite direction because it's multi-directional as well.
Oh, okay. At this point, I think I've covered everything that you want to know about this blade right here. If I left something out, I'll put a link down below where you can find out more about this Cat Diamond blade and all the other ones that they offer too. So you can get this in several different sizes. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. That's it for now, friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, hey there. If you made it this far, I just want to say I appreciate you. So this doesn't have to be the end. If you want to continue watching some more of my tool reviews, I have a video that I handpicked for you right over there, and that is the other Cat diamond blade that I have. This is the 800 Expert hard materials segmented turbo disc. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can hit that button down below so you can be notified when other videos of mine come out very soon.